That's the way, Jamal. That's the way. The way of the fist, or whatever you want to call it, for trading. Don't predict, react. Well, that's definitely not what's it called again? Bruce Lee's method. I don't know why I'm spacing on that. It's like 3 words. Can do. Why can I not think of that right now? Jeet Kune Do. He calls it the way of the intercepting fist, and he does use predicting. Not really. He just wants you to get your mind sharp enough that you can react faster than your opponent can connect with you. So like there's like 10 or 20 millisecond reaction times for Jeet Kune Do. Anyway. All right, going live now on all platforms, and going to label these up, and then we'll start talking about them. Good. How are you? Good morning, Lava. Hey, Steven, good morning. You've been training Jeet Kune Do for years? Oh, that's awesome, Steven. Wow. My teacher, Lalo Schifrin, and my teacher of music, film music, writing music for movies, is Lalo Schifrin. He did the music for Enter the Dragon, and obviously he wrote the Mission Impossible theme and all that good stuff. But anyway, before that, he started training with Bruce Lee. So he got private lessons in Jeet Kune Do from Bruce Lee. And this guy, my teacher, he's a triple black belt in, I don't know if it's Kung Fu or Jeet Kune Do. I don't know if Jeet Kune Do has belts. But he's a triple black belt in Kung Fu at the least, and then he did Jeet Kune Do. Private lessons with Bruce Lee. Suffice to say, the guy has mad confidence. That makes such a big difference. What's up, man? You joined the group a couple days ago. You're already up $1,000. Wow, fantastic. And he says, can't believe the bums who won't take a trial. That's right. All right, so let's go over a little bit of the market overview and see what's going on here. Bitcoin's just been whipsawing, it's ranging around, finding support every single time at the bottom of the range at 65,000. And then the top is basically 67,000. So crypto, Bitcoin ranging around today so far. So it could be a ranging day in crypto. And then gold, same, just ranging, staying at the top of basically yesterday's entire range, 1778 to 1788, a $10 range there. So sideways on gold, No flights to safety going on. Same thing with oil, at least for the last 10 hours. Oil's been sideways between $83 and 82.50, so not much of a change, but hanging out in that upper end of $82, whipping around. So again, sideways, sideways, sideways. So that's three sideways indications. Rates are up a smidge, not necessarily trending up though. Could even be trending down, maybe, probably sideways. So we probably have a lot of indications that we're going sideways today. And as far as any sectors go, I would have to say that nothing is really up or down, except perhaps energy just went up way too high by the closing bell yesterday and has corrected down back to about the middle of yesterday. Outside of that, everything's pretty much holding sideways today, and today may be a sideways day. We have HX really hot this morning. I got in earlier into that earlier in pre-market, and so we're following that. Next breakout level is 25.40 on that. It's been about $2.50 of risk. However, that seems to be possibly tightening. The last risk breakout was $2. So that's probably what to potentially expect from the next breakout if it happens. The next breakout's at 25.40. So something between $2 and $2.50 of risk. And we're also looking at DWAC, which had a good pop overnight. Also, Crocs, the rubber shoes maker, CROX, has been on an incredible run for the last year and a half. They had insane earnings, apparently, report, and they closed at 136 yesterday. They hit 154 in pre-market, so that's up almost 20 points. So we'll probably be going after a 5-minute mega dip buy options trade on Crocs. These come around once in a while, and hopefully we can hit a grand slam on that. Let's see what happens. We're also looking at GWH. TSC is also up pretty significantly. Closed at 22.5 yesterday and hit 30 approximately this morning. So that's a pretty huge leap, almost 33% gains. RMed also up again. It was up about 70 cents on $3. Duo up. JRJC will be watching, similarly up to Duo. B-Cell was up from 5 to almost 7, but faded fully back down about 90% retraced 90% of the spike. EVOL, we'll keep an eye on, and CYCN, keep an eye on. But mostly those items on my screen with this little green indicator on the top left of the chart, those are the hottest in pre-market, trading well above 300% their typical volume. So those are the ones you want to keep your eyes on the most. They have the potential to just have a lot of volume behind them and a lot of demand behind them. Evan, just start telling people you're Bruce Lee's nephew. Yeah, that's funny. So anyway, yeah, we're looking for in about 17 minutes the market open for HX to continue. That could go. I mean, it went from 10 to 20 in one day yesterday. So we're looking to see if it can go from 20 to 30 or from 20 to 40 today or more. This could be a huge day for HX, or it could be the end of it. So we'll see. We'll see what it gives. What do I think about GBS? Honest opinion. Well, I could give you my dishonest opinion if you like. But all right, I'll go with the honest opinion. GBS. I gotta choose the honest opinion. So the honest opinion, it's a stinker. Huge piece of shit. You should have chose the dishonest opinion, I think. Next time, I promise. AFRM, it went down to 146 yesterday. It's now over 150 in pre-market. Price target was raised from 140 to 175. Let's take a quick look at it because that might just be dead cat bouncing now. Let's see. Yeah, no, that's not in. It's not in a position to lead. It's not in a position to lead. Does that make sense, Daniel? It's beneath various closes, and it's like being in a race car race, and you're like one of the last cars. What do I think about Micron? I'm definitely bullish on all semiconductors, but probably right now, semiconductors have been sideways. Go with looking at SMH as a whole, and you can see semiconductors performance slowed down a lot. About a year ago, the index was at 247. And just a few days ago, it was at 251. So it hasn't made any progress in a year. Just quite sideways. You wonder what HX will keep taking off. Crazy week ahead, yes. TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. Yeah, everybody on TikTok, if you want to click the link in my bio, you can click through our website and come join our trading community. Of over 400 members. We have trade alerts and live stream day trading as you're seeing it now, which is going to begin in 14 minutes when we cut off the TikTok. So just be sure to click the link in my bio. You might want to start now. Come over to my profile. You have to leave the live. Come over to my profile. Click the link in my bio over there. That'll take you to the website. Click the option to be able to join the website. And then you'll be able to join us for live trading starting in 13 minutes now when the market opens. Right now, we're getting all prepared and set up, and everybody's getting their risk levels ready. In our group, you'll learn more about how risk management and how to control your risks on every trade in your account. And so look forward to seeing you in there. Hope to see you in there. Jennifer, thanks for sharing the live. Appreciate it. Some of your friends come and check out what we're doing this morning. Boeing. Why you keep saying that? You sound like a little baby bird who wants a worm. Prog on show list. What you think? On short list? No, I think the trade is ancient history now. We got what we wanted to get out of it. And now we've moved on to other stocks that are where Prog was, which was hot. Thinkorswim and DOS Trader, yep, the two things that I'm using. But I recommend Webull. I'll give you that link here. So if you guys want to sign up through my referral link, then we both get free stocks. And I recommend Webull over my own platform that I'm using here, which is Thinkorswim, because Webull is so easy to use, much more modern. This is a 20-year-old software, 22 years old now, this software. And Webull's new, fresh, programmed tightly, easy to use, graphically pleasing, much better. So click my link there and sign up through there, and then we'll both get free stocks upon your sign up. BRQS is starting to move. Let's see what's going on there. BRQS was at 0.53. It's now at 0.62, so it's up about 15%. Bit of movement from BRQS if you're interested. The next breakout is at 62 for about 3.5 cents of risk. Good morning, Jason Scott. And good morning, Justin and Tahas. Entry for DWAC. We might wait until it gets all the way up to 1575. But if you know pivot point trading, you can get in at the break of any of these prior pivots. 12.5, 15, and 1575. And then the fully confirmed breakout at the top is at 20. All right, 10 minutes to the open. Which is top today? HX, TSC, Crocs. Yeah, basically those guys. Yeah, you're welcome. AMD call. Like, man, you need to give me a little more information on that, Daniel. How long? For what? A day trade? A swing trade? An overnight? 2 weeks? An investment? A leap? A 3 month? A 6 month? SPY puts? Let me know so I can sell my SPY calls from 4 days ago. No, I don't think that's a situation, but it could be. AMD for 1022. So in other words, you want to hold it through tomorrow until expiration, okay, hold on, or no if you can. I don't know. It looks good. But if it goes down, sell it. You get it? Trading's so easy when you start to really think about it. Everyone complicates it. Because they don't do anything. Oh, hello. All right, Mom's joined us on this one. STLD and new. Let's take a look. For a day trade or for a multi-day swing trade, Mom? STLD. Mom's on YouTube right now. STLD looks very good lately. We have strong volume on the buy side. On the sell side, it's been quiet. So things are picking up. It's probably going to make a run up to all-time highs, 72. Brianne says, hi, Mom. So it's probably going to run to 72 to try to retest. That much you can count on. If it goes, you definitely want to take a little bit off once it gets up there, like 71, 72, because that could be it. And then if it continues good, you'll be glad you held a little bit more. But yeah, I like that one. Steel Dynamics. Very good. Interesting. And then new. That new core? Yeah. Nucor is a little more neutral right now. Not as bullish. Looks like it does have earnings coming up though. What is that? Tomorrow? Earnings coming up tomorrow on Nucor, and it's sitting similarly to that other one, STLD, where if it does run, it's going to try and retest highs again. Maybe get stuck in this congestion area here around 120. That's where you'd want to take off some of your position. And then if it continues, great. And if it doesn't, then you took some profits. Always cut before break even too. You got to learn my dream stop method, Mom. Figure out how to get out of these. Kramer had those guys on. Oh, okay. So, I like Nucor. Nucor's done great. What's the performance year over year here? Let's see. 117%. It's had a great run, but, could be over. It certainly has topped, and it's put in a left shoulder and a head. Coming all the way back down like it did, it's not a great sign. Yeah, Mom. Somebody says, Sergio says, Mom wants the Dream In stop indicator for free. And, yep, she'll get it. I'll let her know. Mom's not the best at reading charts, but I suppose she's getting better. It's only been 40 years. It gets better every day. AMD, like I said, looks all right. Yes, I love AITX as well. Let's see. AITX. No, AITX doesn't look too good. But what is this? Artificial Intelligence Technology Solutions. I would not give that company my money. First of all, it's a penny stock, micro penny stock, and it's pretty much done nothing except lose money since 2019. You want to know how much it went down since 2019, like when it debuted? 60,000%. And somebody actually brought that company to my attention as a potential good investment. It's down. Actually, I think it's 600,000% because it's down 60,000 times. I think that's 6 million%. So yeah, that's not even a piece of shit. That's an eradicated, extinct dinosaur, colossal, fossilized shit. Stay away from it. Can I look at Beam for a swing? Let's see. Stay away from that piece of shit stocks. That was obviously a shill coming into the room. Buzz says, very well said. Beam, yeah, wow. Looks like a signal possibly yesterday. So today could still be a buy. Let me see this. Has not had a day like that since September of last year. So it's been 1 year, 2020. It's been 1 year since it had such a dried up selling volume day. Definitely could be an entrance on Beam. I'll probably alert it. But we're going to open the market in 3 minutes and 30 seconds. We're watching HX to see if it'll break out. HX. And we are also watching NXTP, DWAC, Crocs, which had outstanding earnings apparently, went from 136 to 154 in pre-market. RMED, TSC also up really a lot in pre-market. GWH, EVOL, CYCN, and BCell. There's a couple others I'm looking at too. ICLK, BRQS, JRJC, and then as always we are watching Apple, Tesla, and Amazon. And then we have a position in Facebook and Net. No, we don't have a position in that anymore. But I'm also selling BA, Boeing, DraftKings, Snap, and Intel this week. So those are some of our options selling plays. Does my mother know I talk like that? She taught me how to fucking talk like that. Does your mother know your mouth is like that? That's funny. Wait, where is she? She comes from Berkeley. Berkeley, up in Northern California. Berkeley College. That's freedom of speech up there. You can say whatever the fuck you want. You're gonna eat my cock. Anything you want to say. Freedom of speech, motherfuckers. If you don't like it, move to Venezuela. Move to Sweden. See you later, dickwads. This is the land of freedom of speech, you fuckheads. What's that guy, Dan Pena? I've closed more motherfucking deals than all of you combined. That guy Dan Pena is insane. All right, we got 1 minute and 20 seconds to the open. We're watching everything here. We're going to see where these stocks explode. And for those of you over on the $1 Trillion Man, that's right. He has high blood pressure. Yeah, he has a skyscraper level of blood pressure. Anyway, we got 1 minute to the market open. You guys over on TikTok, we're about to cut off the TikTok at the market open and continue live trading in the trading group. So make sure you click the link in my bio to come join us. And see you later, Mom. She says she's got to go walk the puppies. Bye-bye. And she got the gist of what's hot this morning, and she's ready. Bye, Mom. All right. 34 seconds until the market opens. You guys click the link in my bio over on TikTok. Thanks. Have Mom visit this morning every now and then, right? 20 seconds to the open. Again, click the link in my bio. You guys over on TikTok and everywhere. We'll be cutting the feeds. Cutting the feeds. There we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. HX entry. Why don't you eat up and I'll tell you. The HX entry could be 25.4. Click the link in my bio. Click the link in my bio. See you soon. 400 members. Okay,